Introducing Deluxe Materials Laser Cut Kit Glue. If you are a railroad modeller, you'll be excited to hear about Deluxe Materials Laser Cut Kit Glue. Laser Cut Kit Glue is designed specifically for the rapid construction of wood and card laser cut kits. It comes in a carefully designed bottle with a twist lock cap and a fine dispensing needle applicator, which can be easily removed for cleaning. The low viscosity formula and needle applicator ensure easy application directly onto open or pre-assembled joints, typically found in laser cut kits. Paul Rice shows how it's done with the Cricket Pavilion, a 1:76 scale kit from Pico. This building could also be used as a railway station building, waiting room, cafe or summer house. The kit contains one laser-cut wooden pavilion building with plastic roof, door and window parts, all of which can be bonded with Deluxe Materials laser-cut kit glue. The fine dispensing needles and thin bead of glue make for neat glue application, not always easy with thicker PVA. Controlled flow is easy with a gentle squeeze of the bottle. The adhesive's thin viscosity penetrates thin gaps and bonds wood to wood as well as plastic to wood, as seen on this window part. The dispensing needle allows a tiny amount of adhesive to be applied neatly to the surface in a conventional way. And an important tip: when not in use, rest the inverted bottle tip on a damp sponge. This will ensure it stays clean and ready to use. The glue is ideal for gap filling, especially if parts are slightly smaller than the installation point. Here we are using the adhesive as a gap filler, before gluing in a poorly fitting window frame. When finished, wash the needle thoroughly with water, waiting for all traces of glue to disappear from the water passing through the tip, and purging with the steel pin if needed. Alternatively, the needle can be cleaned by immersing in hot, not scalding water for 5 to 10 minutes. Once finished and clean, store the needle applicator and pin and replace the plastic sealing plug onto the bottle and store in a cool, dry place. The finished Cricket Pavilion sits well on the layout. And here is a useful tip. Should the hollow needle become blocked, heat or place it into boiling water for 15 minutes. So why should you choose Deluxe Materials Laser Cut Kit Glue? The adhesive is the ideal glue for clean, neat, rapid construction of laser cut kits. It has many unique benefits. It offers precision application you can't get from a bottle of PVA. The needle applicator is easily cleaned. Excess adhesive is easily cleaned with water. It is safe and odourless. And it will bond plastics and painted wood often found in laser cut kits. If you are a railroad modeller, this product is surely for you. You can find out more at the Deluxe Materials YouTube channel or visit the Deluxe Materials website where you can download a catalogue. Or why not visit your local hobby shop and ask for Deluxe Materials Laser Cut Kit Glue by name.